How to make your TikTok account public. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok and log into your account. Once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen, and then click on the three lines at the top right of the screen. Then click on Settings and Privacy. From the Account section, click on Privacy. And from the Discoverability section, you want to turn the Private Account toggle off. A pop-up window will appear at the bottom asking you whether or not you want to switch to public account, and it tells you what you can do with the public account. So all what you need to do is just click switch, and there you have it. You just unprivate your account. So that was it for this video. That's how you can make a TikTok account public. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.